If you're experiencing billing issues on Snapchat, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot common problems and ensure your account is in good standing. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review purchase history. Access your purchase history within the app to identify any discrepancies. This will help you confirm if there are unauthorized charges or if a transaction failed. Step 3. Update app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates to fix potential bugs. Step 4. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Snapchat support. Use the in-app support feature or visit the website to submit a ticket detailing your billing problem. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing discrepancies. Regularly check your payment method and transaction history to avoid future problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues on Snapchat. If problems continue, don't hesitate to contact customer support for further assistance.